Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Ogo Anumudu. I'm a Nigerian based in Portugal. So today, without wasting much of your time, I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Temu. So I've read like lots of reviews about buying stuff on Temu, the quality and all of that. I decided to give it a try, and this is like my second purchase. The first one I got, I'm actually pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm about 35 weeks. I'm gone. I just have like a few days. I'm actually counting down, so I'm trying to just pack my stuffs and just get ready till my EDD, right? And I tend to just get some things from Temu. So I'll be showing you guys what I got, and we'll actually just go through them together. I think I received the package about last month, and I received one this month. So we'll just go through them together just to be sure. We'll see if it's what I ordered versus what I got. We'll just go through them together. So without wasting much of our time, let's just start. So this is, I got some of my baby items there, but most of them I actually got from Shein. I didn't want to start going from stores to stores checking this. I actually did. So most of the items I got from Shein. I got a few from Amazon. But these are the ones I'll be showing you today are the ones I got from Temu. So let's just go through them. So this is actually a baby sponge. So I got like two of this one. This is like one of the best I could find on Temu. So I just got this one. I got two of this. I think I got this one in blue and also in yellow. Is it yellow or pink or something? I'm actually expecting the girl. So I got this one blue and one pink. I got two of this actually. Then I got the socks. I got the socks in multiple colors. I think I got the black. I don't know if I got the white, but we'll just check. But this is actually very cute. I love this. I love this. Then I think, okay, it doesn't have anything underneath. Okay, so this is actually the green of this one. I'll see if I can actually attach the pictures of the items, what it looked like online and what it looks like in real life, right? So this is actually the green. Very cute. Like it stretches and the quality actually looks really good. So far it's not bad. It's actually a good purchase. All right, so sorry if I'm breathing very heavy. Pardon me. I'm actually getting closer to my due date. So I got hand knitting. It comes in pairs. It's like hope I combine this one. Okay, I think this one is for this one. This is for this one, and this is for this. So it comes in like 3-in-1. So this is how I got this one, 3-in-1. I can't remember how much, but I'll see if I can actually attach the prices and also the images of the items I got from Temu. So this is what it looks like. So far, this also is actually a good purchase. The quality is also not so bad, right? I just hope that, I don't know, I have to wash them, then see what it looks like after wash. So that way I'll actually know if it actually retains its quality or it probably fades off or something. So I got this hairbands. So it comes in, I think, about different colors. Let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's actually 6-in-1. So it comes in different colors. What I thought initially, I thought this was actually, I was expecting like a big hairband. I had no idea it was this one. Maybe because I actually didn't go through the measurement to see if it's actually big or small. I'm also going to attach the picture so you can see what it looks like. I didn't go through this to really see the size. I just saw it and I liked it because it comes in multiple colors. So I went ahead and I got it. This is hair clip. I can't remember how many comes in a pack, but I'll have to check. I think, okay, this is 15 piece colorful. This is what is written here. It's about 15 piece. Temu so far, they're quite affordable. They're not expensive, and with the quality I've seen so far, it's not bad, right? So this is what the clips look like. So you just maybe once I'm done packing my hair, styling, I just clip. I'm not so good with hair styling, but I think I'm going to use my data to learn. I actually got this one for what did I even buy this one for? Let me even see. I got this one for her feeding bottle. So once I'm done washing the feeding bottle, so I have to dry it here. So this is actually why I got this one. So instead of putting this one in the regular plate rack, I actually wanted to get something different that's just dedicated to my child, right? So I just got this one. So this is what it looks like. So once I'm done washing her feeding bottles and everything, I just hang them here. I think I like this. Is actually a good purchase. I'm going to wash this one separately. I'm not sure I'm going to wash this one together with other clothes because I don't know, I hope it doesn't come off. So this is actually, it's written kids socks. So this is the one of the green, right? But this one has like a stripe. It looks a bit different from the other one. This one has stripe, right? So like I said, I'm going to wash this one separately because I don't want it to stain other clothes. But it looks like something that might probably come off. I don't know yet until I probably give it a wash. to be sure that it won't come off. All right. So I got this one in 2 colors, 2 or 3 colors. I got this is lilac, right? Yeah, I think I got this is lilac, and I also got it in white. So I got 2 of this one. So that's baby cap. I got this one. This is like a sock shoe. I didn't want to get like shoe because so probably not wear it. So why waste money? So, and again, kids, you know, they outgrow things quickly. So I got this one. This looks really cute. So I got this in pink and also in off-white. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see this. This is the sponge I told you about. So I got this one in yellow. This is a pacifier holder. Okay, I think it's stretched. It's like rubber. Anyways, so I got 2. I think I got 2 or 3 of this one. I'm not sure. Okay, so I got pantyhose. So this also comes in pairs. So it's like 3 in 1. It comes in different colors. But I decided to go for neutral color. That's the black, the white, the pink. So this is what it looks like. And also this one, the quality also looks really good. Right? Can you see? It's stretchy. It's not so transparent. It's a bit thick, not too light. So this is actually very perfect. So this is it comes in 3 colors. I can't remember what size. This should be 0 to 1 month. I'm not sure this is up to 3 months. I think this is 0 to 1 month. So this is what it looks like. So this one also doesn't look like something that would come off anyways, but let's see. This one looks really cute. I like this. I wanted to get the pink and the white of this one, but so I think I have too many pinks. I just went to go for a different color instead of having like all her items pink, bedspread pink, towel pink, and I just wanted something different. So this is what this one looks like. But this is actually very cute. Not too thick, not too light, just perfect. And I like the size. You know, there's some caps that you buy, it's actually very bigger than the child's head. So this is actually very good. It stretches, so this is perfect. So most likely, I don't know if this is what she will actually wear when we're coming back home from the hospital. This is what this one looks like. This one has like a crown. The baby is a princess. I got maternity bra. I'm not going to show you guys. Because I'm not sure I'm actually going to wear it because it actually looks big. I bought medium. Is it medium or large? I can't remember the size I bought. It was actually very big. I've not worn it, but looking at it, it looks really big for me. So most likely, I probably don't wear it. I'll probably just give it out or something. So this is what the black looks like. Still, it's written kids socks. Really very cute. This one looks exactly like the wine. It has like a stripe. The green doesn't have any stripe, but this is really nice. So this is the white of the other cap I showed you guys earlier. The blue. Sorry, not the blue. The lilac. So I think I would say that the quality of Temu so far, I've not been disappointed. So I'm just going to open the second package. Let's see what the other one looks like. This is how I received this one. I got this one last week. I'm still yet to open them, so we'll just go through them together to see what this one looks like. That's true. I actually got flax. I think it's not here. I think it's somewhere around in this room. I actually got baby flax. I've not tested it, so I don't know how long it retains hot water or probably cold water. I have no idea. So I'm actually going to try this week and let you guys know. So I got 2 of this. It's like food storage. You could probably use it for rice, beans, cereal. I think I got this one for cereal. I think I got 2 of this. I wanted to see what the quality looks like. I wanted to see the size before getting more. I wanted to get like 5 of them, but I decided to just go for like 2. Let me just see what it looks like before I can actually get more. I want to use this for cereal. I actually got one for cereal, then one for granola. Actually, why I got this one, but so far this is good. This is really good. So I think this is the second one. Yeah, so I got 2 of this. Got like a different design. I don't know how many this is. I think this also. I don't know if I got. I'm not sure I got this one 2 in 2, but let's see. So I think I got one of this one. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. So I got this one. This is not bad also. This is really very nice. I got this one also. So this is not bad. So far, I'm not disappointed. I'm glad with every purchase that I got. So let's see. I have to share this one. Okay, I think this is. Oh, I love this. I actually wanted to get like 3 or 4 of this. Okay, this is really cute. Can you see? This is really nice. I like this. So I got this for my baby's cabinet where I actually put her clothes. So clothes, hairbands. It's more like a cabinet organizer. That's actually why I got this one. So let's see. So it has this. So you just have to zip this. So this is actually the small size. I just hope they should fit in. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. So this one comes in twos. So you have two small ones. I think you have large. This is what this one looks like. I might have to try it out much later. It comes in 6 pairs. So you have 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small. So this is what the medium looks like. It comes in this size and also this shape, right? So let's see. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. So far, I think I'm really impressed with the things I actually got. They're not. This is what this one looks like. So this. Okay, so this is 3-in-1. I don't know if you can see this. This is 3-in-1. Okay. Oh, this stretches. So this is good. So I might probably use this when she's like maybe 3 months, because I'm not sure I want to start giving the child headache at a very young age. Egg storage. I got this one for eggs. So this is what this one looks like. I think it's about 24. Yeah, 24. I have to wash all of this. So this is, I just hope it's actually not too small, and I can actually put the eggs inside and close them. So you put your carrot in here and you just press it in. I just hope this works, honestly, because after this I'm not buying any more. I don't want to believe this is the ice cube. It cannot be. So I actually got this for ice cube. It was looking really big. Okay, I don't want to say I'm disappointed. I refuse to say that. So I actually thought this one was actually bigger. I actually got this one, but this. Okay, so I got bathroom foot mats. I don't know if I will say I'm impressed with this or not. I'm not sure. It looks, I don't know. I don't really look impressed. I'm not so impressed with this one, but so far. I got this one for the bathroom. Put this one here. Put this one here. Okay. So this one looks, I think this one looks a bit damaged. So I think this one, I don't know what happened here. Okay, I think this one is pressed already. Can you see? It's not the same as this one. So I think this should be from the delivery. See? This is pressed already. I just hope it works. Okay, so I got this hair pack. The last one I got it from the local market. I actually don't know. I have no idea where I kept it. So I have to buy another one, right? So I got this one. I think this was less than €1. So this one comes in 100. So I got this one for 100 pieces. I'm tired already. So I got this. I got these stickers. I got them for the containers. So I just have to write cereal, whatever I want to write here. I got the breastfeeding cover in case I'm going out and I need to breastfeed. I just have to. I think this should be the breastfeeding cover. I actually got 2. I got one for the stroller and I got one for breastfeeding. So either of them, this should either be for the breastfeeding or for the stroller. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I'm just going to try this one later to see what it is. I'm not sure. But so I think I can start using this one for maybe like a month or 2 months. This is not bad at all. So this one comes in how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this comes in 8 multiple colors. So this is what it looks like. I'm thinking of how to arrange all of this, right? So I got artificial nail, white. It's okay. So it's just for me. What else is this? Okay, this should be hairband. There's also 3 colors in one. Not bad. This is actually bought the baking sheet. This is baking sheet. I'm not sure I want to open this one now because I have to leave it. I'll just put it in the cabinet. Okay, so this is diaper pad. In case I want to change the baby, but this looks, this actually looks really small. This looks really small. I thought it was bigger than this when I got it, but it is what it is. It is what it is. This one for someone. So this is like, I don't want to open this one because I got this for somebody else. So I bought the straws. This is big. This is small. This is like curved, and this is the brush. So this is what this one looks like. Okay, let me see if I can actually. Woo, I'm tired already. People who do unboxing video, I don't know how they cope, but I'm actually very tired. So this is this. I think I have about 1 or 2 left, and we're done for the day. I don't think I will call this postpartum waist trainer. I actually got I got this one, but this looks really small. I'll just have to try this to see what this looks like after I put to bed. I have one in Nigeria, but I didn't come with it, so I wanted to just get something. I want to try this one out. If it doesn't work, I'll just order like a better one. I thought this was really very big. It was looking really big and long in the picture before I actually got it, but I'm just going to try this one. If it doesn't work, I'm going to get the full waist trainer, right? Because I want to like snap, make like give birth. I don't know how easy it's going to be, but I just want to just try my best, but no pressure, really. Nobody's chasing me, so no pressure. I'm not going to give birth today until tomorrow. I want to have tiny waist and all of that. I'm just going to take my time, enjoy motherhood, go through the process, and I'm not going to put myself under unnecessary pressure. A very cute hairband. I love this. I love this because of the design. Actually, why I got this. I love this one. This is the one for the stroller because it has this clip. So this is the one for the stroller cover, and the other one should be the breastfeeding. What would I call it? Breastfeeding clothes. So this is the one for the stroller. So I actually got one. I wanted to see what it looks like. Then I'm going to try it out. But still yet to set up the stroller. We might probably set it up maybe much later. I don't know. Whenever my husband is free, we'll actually try to set it up. This is a trolley. So this should be the small. This should be 3-in-1. It should be like a medium size, I think. So I'm still thinking of what to do with this one. I actually bought it for the purpose of having it in the kitchen, so I can actually store Irish potato, onions. Actually, why I got this one. But I'm thinking I'll probably use it for the baby. Use it for the baby, so that way. I don't know. I'm still thinking. So I might have to set this one up later. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. It's a lot. I'm actually very tired right now. It's not easy to be 8 months pregnant, going to 9 months. So we're actually counting down to the day my baby comes out. So thank you so much for all the love. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. So please like, subscribe, share, comment. I always respond. Thank you so much, and do have a beautiful day. Bye guys.